our winner and UWBC vacant blue corner. Blue corner.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, a bit of premature celebration.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. April 2016, nangyari ang pinaka nakakagulat na resulta sa isang boxing fight sa Australia. Dumayo kasi ang Pinoy na si Randy Razor Pitalcorin sa Australia para kunin sana ang bakanting WBC Silver Flyweight title kontra sa taga Tanzania na kalaban na si Umuwing. Naging maganda naman ang bakbakan, lalo na sa panig ng Pinoy Razor dahil 4 na beses pinabagsak ni Razor Pitalcorin sa loob ng 12 rounds ang kalaban. Pero talagang nakakagulat dahil nanalo pa ang Tanzanian boxer na si Umuwing na nakabase na sa bansang Australia. Kaya naman di napigilang umalma ang kampo ng Pinoy. Nag-request sila ng review mula sa WBC patungkol sa nangyari, lalo na nung nalaman nila na ang 3 hurado pala ay taga Melbourne, Australia pareho. At dito inamin mismo ng WBC President Mauricio Sulaiman na nagkamali ang mga hurado pero di na daw talaga magbabago pa ang naging desisyon. Nakuha ng kalaban ang bakanting titulo pero kalaunan naman ay binawi ito at binakante ng WBC. Sa halip na may rematch ang dalawa ay pinaglaban na lang sila sa ibang boxer. Sabay nating balikan ang laban na kung saan klaro pa sa sikat ng araw na Pinoy dapat ang panalo. Ilang beses bumagsak ang kalaban pero hindi ito binilangan.
And may the best man win. Good luck to both you fighters. Shake hands.
Pitalcorin from the Philippines taking on the now Aussie.
I've been waiting for. It's going to be exciting. We've seen Umuwing fight a lot here in Australia. He comes from angles everywhere.
As you'd expect.
Oh, Murray.
Umuwing going in hard.
Murray coming in strong.
Most coveted title belts in all of boxing.
What they got? One thing about
Championship rounds. Nice. Double triple jab up high and then down to the body, changing level.
That's a push.
Just a slip on the old young man. Saying,
Straight left hand.
And that is why. Just a slip.
Referee's calling it a slip.
Speaking of best in the business, this production brought to you by the best in the business, Paris Productions. A big shout out to Paris, sitting in the van there, pressing the button. Lopez calling all the shots for you in this WBC Championship fight. Greatness is calling for one of these men. Who will it be?
Murray coming out, letting go, all guns blazers. But
He's throwing wild. He's throwing wild punches though, and a lot of it's missed.
You tend to lose power from your preferred side, however. You may
Just saying no, but to me that tells me it affected him.
clubbing left. Local lad. The pavilion it is the Melbourne Pavilion.
what a good venue, and a credit to Brian Trutis and his team.
Well, Brian
Home for it. Oh,
Yeah,
with
to
a
the body.
straight left.
straight into the chest.
He's not.
His shots are
Lovely shot.
well picked, well chosen. Not a lot of wild throwing.
And they're straight. They're not wild.
Look at that! On the bell. Oh, big shots, Umuwing, big shots.
Definitely fired him up. He wants to just bring it on, Umuwing. Corin's got the better knockout record, yeah?
Yeah. All on the boxing rec stats.
See, that's oh, beautiful.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful right hook, straight left. Oh,
Needs to get his guard, close his guard up a little.
good exchange by the two.
Yeah, on the swing he gets a little bit loose in the guard, Umuwing, and that from the big left hand. Keep moving. You'd like to see him hit with a bit more of the front of the glove.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't hold. Break clean, don't punch. Break clean, don't punch. Box.
Murray's got to be careful. There's been about 4 or 5 already verbal warnings. He might get a point taken away from him if he continues this.
He's Randy Pitalcorin, hasn't he? He's nice and
Yeah, really.
textbook stuff. movement. Steps in nicely to break distance as well. Petalcorin, but I tell you what, if you're going to score aggression, you've got to go all the way of Kimweri because he's right on the front foot.
Man, that's going to tell him to lay around.
Yeah,
For sure.
Looking very relaxed. Nice snapping jab off those distance. Changing levels, moving head.
Oh, beautiful
nice.
right hook.
And that
Landed right on the dot on Pentacorin.
Kimweri now. Again steps through with that clubbing. We're talking about the natural power base you have in your original stance. And now the Kimweri's the right way, Kimweri, and stepping through. He stepped.
And they're not coming straight. Sometimes they hit you more than guys that actually punch them straight, like the correct guys.
Right.
And he changes back now. He's gone. He is switch hitting now.
Got hit with 2 jabs in a row.
But this is again centering on the Ultra Tune logo.
Good combination by Pentacorin.
Oh, big left hand.
Well, they tried to
Giving him a taste of his own medicine there.
Up at everything nicely, then rolling on the cross when he gets the opportunity. Bang! There goes that rear hand. Popping out the jab, measuring the 1-2. A little more composed now. Then have that slapping motion, generate the maximum power you can. Here they go in the red corner.
He's hit Pentacorin with a couple of right hand, left hook.
Watch your heads. Watch your heads.
Petalcorin gets down nice and low. Petalcorin again, just up on the lead foot. Sitting down on the jab nicely. Again,
Nice.
look at that. Good stiff left hand.
He followed it with the straight
hand,
left as well.
The hand, Petalcorin, he's going to go to it more and more. First of all, on Kimweri or on Petalcorin, is there anything to take advantage of?
Well, I think when
The way Kimweri's coming in, throwing all the...
knocks you off balance,
Oh, yeah, for sure.
which I just...
That's
that's it.
Huge left hand by Randy.
Kimweri's in trouble now.
That was the shot.
Kimweri's wobbling.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell. Will he go to the same tactic again, Petalcorin?
Don't hang in there. Break.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why he's trying to grab on and wrestle him. He's hurt. He's looking for the clinch.
I think the hold on is.
And I think Randy knows it. That's why he's coming in hard for it.
Oh,
big shot, big shot.
That's a knockdown. You got to count that a knockdown. He was sitting on the ropes.
He was definitely
He was sitting on the rope. That's a knockdown.
Put a count on him. Okay.
He definitely had a bit of a sit down on the
Big
rope.
right hand.
He gets down really low. Kimweri again.
He's hurt.
In
He's
the blue
hurt.
corner.
He's hurt.
Going to work. Going to work. Petalcorin.
Oh, huge straight left.
Oh, big left hook. Back from Kimweri.
Just when you think
Amari with a comeback here.
Kimweri throwing the big shots, the big bombs. They trade it up in the red corner.
The Pentacorin.
Willing him on. Petalcorin. Oh, the clubbing right hand.
That right
Kimweri.
hand, it's working all the...
Well, not sort of flurry that had him sitting on the bottom rope.
Oh,
There he
huge
comes again.
left hook.
Kimweri again. How big is this man's heart?
Oh,
He's gonna just give him that little bit of energy he needs.
Oh, huge.
Aggression.
Taking more control of it, keeping the center. Huge right hand by...
one.
I tell you what, Kimweri's showing that at the
huge.
moment. The boxing
Oh, straight left hand.
the hands. Down to the body, up to the head goes Kimweri.
See more jabs from Randy here. He's just hanging out there.
You
He's
always,
in range.
you always want to.
Omari seems to be getting under him a little bit. Those
Yeah.
big left hands.
Yeah, Kimweri comfortable. He'll step left, throw right like that.
Keep working.
Oh, huge
gets
combination
caught again.
there.
It's caught again. Down to the body, up to the head. Bit of a head clap. Petalcorin, both hands up, elbows in tight gut for me, and the hand placement and setup that leads to a lot more linear.
Follow Kimweri around. He's got to cut that
He's
ring
got
off.
Oh, huge right hook by Kimweri.
a lot of backward moving now, starting to really use the perimeter of the ring.
Keep walking, keep walking.
Kimweri.
Okay, break, clean, break.
That jab, Petalcorin. Oh, the big hook, Kimweri.
Break, stop,
The
back.
slip.
Step back.
Got the most power when he's in orthodox stance.
Oh, huge right hook.
It's going to be interesting now that we know the scores that there's been read.
He's just got to go for it now.
Break, break.
The Filipino fighter.
Don't push.
Yeah, going back to what Julian was saying, he's definitely coming off first, and he's finding success there.
The 1-2. Again, he'll
Break.
1-2 follow through into the clinch. Hitting up the clinch.
I'm going to take a point off you for punching after the break.
This fight, Kimweri.
But that was his game plan. He's come in to bulldog pedal corn and rough him up and all that. And you know what?
The corner needs to start looking to score in here.
Oh, good body shot.
Under the body.
One thing for the kids at home.
Oh, 1-2. The 1-2.
Huge 1-2 down the middle from Randy.
Yeah, Randy Petalcorin got those 1-2 through nicely. And again, keeps the pressure on. Something substantial, Jose.
Correct, yeah. Oh, getting caught with a huge combination there. Yeah, you're right, Hammer. Randy.
Stepping outside. Oh, lets the big right hand go. Weaves really low. And then hooks up and Bulma. Kimweri shakes it off whenever he gets hit, and yep, good strategy. Bring distraction with the rear hand. Just stunning Kimweri momentarily.
Don't hold, don't hold, don't hold.
Weaves down again.
Keep working.
And they keep working.
Break.
More success if he would have been controlling the center and being first at the same time.
Now back to orthodox. Now back to southpaw. Switch. Co-commentators calling the action here. WBC strap on the line. The champ Julian Holland. What are you thinking? What's your thoughts? As they go,
This is how they want it.
the red corner.
This is how they want it.
He's leaning on him. Jeez, he survives. He's such a survivor, Kimweri.
So Penalcos needs a stoppage. He's
Yeah, I
going
think so.
for it.
Julian has a championship fighter yourself, and you've seen so many fights. Oh! He takes a trip down to that bottom rope again.
Excuse me.
Let everything go. Petalcorin.
But, you know, there's some big shots.
Just a slip.
I think they're after.
Please have a look at the right side of Kimweri's face. It is bruised and battered. Have a look at the swelling on the right, under the right chin. WBC World Championship bout. Something special we are witnessing here in the hip. Kimweri. Petalcorin back to the straight line attacks that he's renowned for. Looks to cut off Kimweri. The big shots, the big shots.
They're going to both finish strong here.
Slugging it out, slugging it out here. There it is.
Good championship fight here.
There it is, folks. 12 rounds of the best.
And a winner, and UWBC, the vacant blue corner. Blue corner.
Oh, a bit of premature celebration from Petalcorin.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.